Hello, my friend. Welcome to MetaMind Meditation, the channel bringing you peace and wellness through guided meditations, sleep meditations, and practical tips for living a more fulfilling life. This will be a quick 10-minute guided meditation to help you clear your path and remove blocks from your abundance. Settle into a comfortable position, maintain a slow and steady breathing pattern, and let's begin. As you breathe, begin relaxing your face and neck, your shoulders and arms, your torso and back, your legs and feet. Imagine a heavy wave rolling down from your head and into the floor below you. You feel lighter and relaxed as this heaviness leaves you. Notice anything lingering on your mind. Maybe you have a financial worry. Maybe you have some work stress to release. Spend the next moment picturing the thing or things that are weighing on you and drawing your attention. Imagine you are holding a rope that is attached to these worries. Open your hand and let it go. See the rope on the ground in front of you. Feel the tension dissipate as your hand relaxes, sending a warm, enlightening wave over your body. Maybe you can finally feel a relaxed smile on your face. You have released your burdens successfully. As you feel this happiness throughout your body, focus on these affirmations. My path is clear. Obstacles are gone. I can see a smooth path before me. My path is clear. Obstacles are gone. I can see a smooth path before me. My path is clear. Obstacles are gone. I can see a smooth path before me. You have released your burdens, and your steps are light. You are on your way to what you seek, and what you seek is coming to meet you. Imagine yourself in a realm of calm but energizing light. Breathe in this shining air. Exhale slowly, and inhale more of this shining air. Feel it gently spreading throughout your body. It expands from your heart to your crown, from your heart to your toes, and from your heart to your fingertips. Feel it gently removing your doubts and fears, all the big ones and all the little ones you forgot were with you. You can feel the power of positivity replacing the negative energy. You are okay. You are safe. You feel such a relief and such a sense of gratitude for all the wonderful things working in your favor. Take some time now to think about the people and things in your life that bring you the greatest joy. You are now in alignment to receive your blessings and to manifest what you desire. You have released your burdens and you have room for blessings. Imagine what you want to have in your life. Imagine it as if you already have it. Sing gratitude to the universe for having already sent it to you. It's time to come back now. Gently begin to move your body and notice how light you feel. You did an excellent job of releasing your troubles, and you are one big step closer to the things you want. Thank you for coming with me on this meditation. Feel free to come back and repeat it at any time. Peace and light upon your beautiful soul, forever and always.